Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to jitter click. This will be a fast mouse clicking tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have a very simple mouse over here, and jitter clicking is basically when you click really fast on a single mouse button with a single finger. Not to be confused with butterfly clicking, which is when you use two fingers on a mouse button. Jitter clicking is one finger on one mouse button. Now, how do you click really fast? Well, it's not a matter of going like this. This is not really jitter clicking. This is just trying to click it fast. It's actually making your arm jitter by shaking it and tensing it up. So as you can see right here, well, all that I'm doing is I'm flexing my forearm, and that allows me to shake. And if I flex my wrist too, as you can see, I can shake really quickly. And if instead of going side to side, I transfer that motion to up and down, I can end up clicking really fast. So basically, how do you do it? Well, you get a hold of the mouse. You want to hold the mouse firmly, but not too firm, because if you hold it too firm, you're going to tense up too much. So you want it to be firm enough so you're not going to lose control of the mouse, and you can still aim, but just barely firm enough. You also want to rest your finger not exactly over here, but a little bit further back, because this allows you to have a smaller range of motion when you get the mouse button further back. Then you want to tense up your arm, get your finger just over the mouse button, not pushing it, but just resting on there. Then tense your arm up, and as you can see, you can allow yourself to jitter click really, really quickly. As you can see, super quickly. Very simple. All that I'm doing is tensing this up. And that allows me to shake my hand like that, transfer that to the mouse button. Look at that. But the key is also having aim. So you don't want the mouse to be going like that. So you got to control the mouse. You're never going to get the mouse perfectly steady, but you want to keep it relatively in the same spot while jittering as quickly as you can. That's it. That is literally how to do it. You want to tense up your arm, practice without the mouse first, and then don't put your finger all the way up here, put it over here, okay? But just resting on the mouse button, and try not to move the mouse too much, but try to jitter click to get your clicks per second as high as you can. And that's basically it. That is how to jitter click. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.